King K, after he saw like I got a little bit of clout nyana, that's when he started wanted to try to reach back and he wanted to work. But Gemnagi, I wasn't down for that because I feel like umjita besen disrespected already, yabo. But I understand because bengaziwa and bengandazi bandungubani and bendi.
No, John, lady, I
No.
What thing?
Get a thing.
What thing?
A thing. I wasn't dating. We never dated. Damn, eh? A lot, but now, like now, I feel like she's not living like the potential. Like,
yeah,
I know what I can do. Like, crazy shit. Yeah, who
like that time this late start. No, I get kind of 77. Yeah.
Whoa! Why is it a question? Oh my days.
Am I
Yo! I didn't want to address this because I'm funny bangati like.
Yeah, still into her. Or...
Yeah, I don't want people to think like I'm still clinging into that thing. Yeah, but that's why I was avoiding this question. Many quick interviews are many, but you know what? Fuck it, I'm gonna answer it. I feel like, honestly speaking, I'm happy for her. For one thing, is because like Uchata has been something that she wanted. Yeah, but even now look at this data. Yeah, she used to speak about Uchata a lot. Look at best data, and then I really thought like Zohama Sambe and get married because she's a good.
Hey yo guys, it is Eshe Sanga here, the sexiest man in Sprad in South Africa, a chocolate with no vanilla. Happy New Year guys! Happy New Year, episode 4 of 2026. And episode 1, we have reached our 1,000 views on YouTube, which is good. Our first 1,000 views on YouTube. Thank you guys for watching. And now we are back again on another episode. Episode 4 of Eshe Sang and Friends. And I'm always with a guest, someone who's special, a rapper from Strand. And this is an introducer, so I make us introducing Ogwaki. Man.
Sexy.
Unjani.
I'm good, and you?
And the cream, no one the cream. Tell us who's introducing you. Want to just give us like intro about social media, handles.
Okay, my name is Trap Lord, and I do music, fashion, and everything artsy. Social media is almost everywhere. So yeah, that's me.
Okay. Since la uthikanje ngu Trap Lord,
yeah,
because ungiphambi wave. So what made you to change your name, your stage name?
The reason that made me change my name to Trap Lord is because there were people who were like, okay, so
guys, big song story nje usondlala.
So yonke le way qale sessions basically yabo, kwi live sessions. So kwi live sessions ubone bekukho la nto man ba okay new rappers ngoku ubone sisi trap no where's baby doll yabo ubra rap feeling ngoma like ubra yabo bena la we ba okay yo high trappers no bethanda usidisa yabo for no reason. So since ndithanda i-trap yabo and it's my thing yabo, it's my sound, like it music ondikhulele kuyo yabo. So I decided to change my name to Trap Lord because that's my identity, that's me yabo, that's my music. So I don't actually give a fuck about abanye abantu bacinga ntoni about i-trap yabo, because ekugqibeleni like they had their time, now they just made that sita bapopayo ngoku and yeah, well,
like I thought like the reason behind Trap Lord, I thought it is because when's my Trap Lord.
Oh no, Langoma, I made that song during that time. Yeah, but during that time, like Yonke and Ibisenze. And then after I made that song, people like but don't address about it. So that's when I actually decided, okay, you know what, let me just fully change Big Trap Lord because like once I've been address about it anyway.
Then after langoma le Trap Lord nayenza because I think like between wena nalamntu phaa kula ngoma there's khona inga clash ncam like now MGL by the way guys I'm busy
What?
like
No.
what happened because I think like it's clash ncam on MGL.
Nah, dog.
Because
we could. What do you mean?
Because I ba ndazi ba omnye ingoma befuna ungena kwenkani like zonke eziwe like
Nah. Those are rumors that are false, yabo, because MGL udale funa sibethi track so too.
okay.
So one send it a beat, yabo, they got Trap Lord. And then I beat and then I feel at the same time and then I wrote my verse and then I wrote the hook and then I said the way. But okay, look, that's when they record like that's way now the Islam. And then I figure I forgive Islam and then survive but nothing. And zero rumors because which the best not lying with December. What do you mean?
And that's all you never know.
Hi bro, what you best not song it dog. We were having fun and all of that.
So tell us about give nje biography yakho nje kancinci. Where do you come from?
From Iqaleni.
From the start.
Cool. So ndisuka eStrand and ndizalele eStrand eMakhasa to be honest, like yabo, to be specific, but ngikhulele eStrand. Zonke izinto zami ndizenze lapha eStrand ngaphandle kokweluka lo. Ngiyaqhubandulukela eStrand. Yeah man, bone naqala urapper when ngo-2018. Yeah, qala ngo-2018. But uqala seriously naqala ngo-2019 urapper. And then it's been crazy ever since then till now. So biography, I think that's it. Oh yeah, also I do fashion and a little bit of content, panapa.
So since you do fashion, do you sell clothes or you just
I
design them from the scratch? You just
from scratch.
Then ziyothungiswa.
Yeah, from scratch. I have manufactured my heavy brand. I'm Gamala Ocean Heavens. Eqaleni bingu Purple World. I went from Purple World, but when I was trying to register the name, apparently there was a company saying Purple World already, so I couldn't. So when I changed into Ocean Heavens, yabo, banabani zabayazi ngoku because ever since I changed, yabo, because bas Purple World, abamazi Ocean Heavens, yabo. So yeah, brand, I'm still pushing brand and yeah, it's been doing good since last year to now. But Kobanyonyaga, I'm not gonna lie, it's been like up and down. So your business is hard, but ever since September, October, November, December, January, it's been doing good. So yeah.
So what's the story between Purple World? Behind Purple World, what's the story? Okay, I know
Purple World.
I'm going to be Purple World or because Beniseli Lane or because Purple World is a lane. So
yeah.
Because in Alec MGM where buses with Purple World,
because of
lane. So now at that time like Benny into a lane.
No.
But every day drink lead then decided but no man, I'm Purple World now.
And I think on my tracks, guys, like I tried lean once, but I was like, I'm Dango, it's not my style. Yabo. Purple World came about because me, I just loved the color of purple, yabo, because that color for me is like meaning, yabo, which is the meaning, yayo, like get this view yabo, which is royalty, yabo, which is self-love, yabo, which is like wealth, yabo, which is those are things that I strive for, yabo. So that's why I fell in love with that color, and then I changed like the bone I up bonus dollars, Panamas purple, my nails were purple, my t-shirts were purple, my logos were purple, yabo. Then that's why I was like, okay, you know what, let me just call my company Purple World. Since
so
you know,
we all know most if you are a rapper or an artist, there's always one of us a hater. Yeah, negative things like, especially if you are say underground. So like, how did you overcome those challenges? But okay, now, Jongan guys, ambani kum, I'm doing my thing now.
By not-
Kanjani uzowina?
By not giving a fuck, man. I feel like if you're a man with the purpose dark, yabo,
Yeah.
izinto ezininzi awuzihoyi, yabo, because ayazi goal yakho, uyayazi ba wena ufuna uba yintoni elifini, ayazi ba usebenzela ntoni, yabo. Therefore, ezinye way ezingakuseviyo uyazi qomba like ezinye beef, most of beef zami bengingazihoyanga because bezingandisevi, bezingandenzeli into. Yabo, bezingandenzi like it's not like they were putting me on, I was already on. Yabo, bengendenzeli into basically. So bengingazihoyi most of the beef zami. And I'm just a person who's nonchalant when it comes to negative vibes. Bengingazihoyi ndaziyeka zizisode ngokwazi ziphinde zibe right, ziphinde zibuye zizapha kum.
Speaking of beefs,
Yeah.
yaqala njani beef yenu no King K? The longest beef ever in Screen. Yaqala njani? Bani waze ne beef noma andifuna ukubona.
King K, ne? King K. Yo, I wouldn't say I was inspired by the nigga. I was not inspired. It's just that one kalu rapper most.
Yeah.
I was him, I was Ziwa, I was the studio.
Slow.
Yeah, so the only nigga I knew was King K that time. The Enemy Records. But the Enemy Records to Tina bebe group yabo already. Yabo. So sometimes so can't figure out beats and I wanted to record some songs. So I knew King K and then I texted him, I'm like, okay, look dog, for no record. That time it's a Kalo record. Yabo, I only had 2 songs. And then I've been miser basically. And then one answer reached this other day and he charged me money about okay. Even from the record there is an money. I was like, I paid cool fine. That time I was still young. Cele bazalini, manfageli mali. And then after fumana kwa mali I'm texting him, I was like, look, difumene mali, pitch yami ready, ngoma yami ready from yongili ready. Funa jo record and izukusokolisa ngiqebe yami. Mjide banin mais athi mandize khona this other day wathi mandiye ngase that was the last time I spoke to him ngithi bene ne business one man ngase you save yabo and I was supposed to record that day ndaya ngase you save namlinda for like 2 hours there
2 hours
2 hours wow 2 hours yabo and then after that I was like nah fuck it, it's chai dog. I went home. But luckily, I found out, okay, switch in the studio. Then I can also record a switch. Yeah, and then after I recorded switch, and then Tapu, I want to reach out, one guy, okay, but look, for us to span anyway, the pillars and signer under headquarters. And then after that, that's when I started popping, yeah, bro. And then the King K, after he saw like I got a little bit of clout, nyana, that's when he started wanted to try to reach back and he wanted to work. But Gemnagi, I wasn't down for that because I feel like umjida besen disrespected already, yabo. But I understand because bengaziwa and bengandazi bantu ngubani and bendingenanto egameni lawo.
But you can 2 hours or something, bro.
It was sick, dog. Yabo, it was sick because umjida I feel like bengayenzi nemali because imali bendinayo. Because they want charge most like Gomba Kenda is a mali ndinayo imali but still the linda 2 hours, dog. Yabo. So
I thought that if beef King K was about imedi. Andizochaza igama lakhe.
No mchaze.
Yo ndichaze na.
Mchaze. Why is it fish?
Inhle, but that time
Lady I.
That time she was Lady I. Yeah.
Nah, it's not about Lady I.
Call Lutwa. And then about King K before Lady I because when you were dating Lady I, so
I wasn't dating with Lady I.
Not John Lady I.
No.
What thing?
We had a thing.
What thing?
A thing. I wasn't dating with Intle. We never dated no Intle. It's not official. No.
I thought just a thing.
Yes.
But I believe before King K was about Indomazana.
No, Kaluk, you have to understand. Like, I feel like that's where he wanted to strike me because obviously, yeah, but he couldn't cruise
because been a crash going to Lady I.
Is it? I didn't know.
I think the reason why I'm been a beef now, it was about like beef like bonus serious.
Yeah. Because of Intle.
Eye.
Of each year.
As far as I'm concerned,
Nah,
rumors, allege, guys, allege. I'm not sure. Is it rumors? This villain, but it was about a girl. So when it is about cause just imagine there's no one who have any beef now just because you wanted to record.
Then if it's about the Intle, that's crazy though, because we didn't even date.
I know Kuba like no record then so many beef now to no record like I don't sense no beef like.
But also why I don't sense about to me the way.
I don't sense.
So I don't sense in the yoba umntwana beef just because nijona crush yakhe. Umphifelana?
Because umendleleni yakhe. Nami I will hate umjita ojona crush yam like umendleleni yam especially if in the house bar.
I feel like everybody know mina like crush wantshula nangam. So come to bengayazi lonto.
Oh, so when
everybody knew.
Basically you were cheating man. Was stuck there with Gino.
Not really. Look, this is what happened. I was dating with Nangam, so right. And then I'm not sure about Nangam so Intle. But me no Intle before Nangam. I had a thing with Intle and then it stopped and then I showed Nangam so and then Sunday break for basically Nangam so for a reason that. And then I qhubeka no Intle and then suffixes in Nangam so then I'm Intle and back to Nangam.
Did you know Baba's friends?
At first I didn't.
Then why else?
Yeah.
Still
it's none of my business.
You are
it's none of my business, bro. It's really none of my business because I didn't know. But I didn't know basically about what was going on. Yeah, but so it's not like because me I didn't know. But they knew about what is going on.
It be reason about guys in the phone about rap because of the girls. I rap is just girls. You don't need about your plate and stuff. No, just zela. So talk about what made you to create a clip party?
Because I wanted the woman that wants my own things. I want to run my own stuff.
G2G.
Not really. I was not tired.
because I feel like
I'm tired for G2G.
Yeah.
No.
I thought like you were like G2G is low.
So let me just
do a clip part.
The reason I hosted the trip party is because I want the team that it's not about G2G.
It's an event.
I told you I do it according to Ngoshobolam because of Indlen Funagal. It's not because of a band. I don't care about a band. And it's not about Abanya band, it's because of how I felt. At that moment I wanted to host the event. And have my own thing that I control because I'm like power hungry. I just like to be in control of it. So that's why I have like the involved business in Tabalukshin. Because I want to be in control.
And so you've got a crib party. And you've been a corner in New Year.
Yeah, I don't want that's legendary though.
Yeah, you never little lane to boo, bro, pose up. Pose I know you. To I crib party.
Yo.
New Year. Go to us now to I mean I
don't want to lie. That was my best event I ever hosted in my entire life.
That's true, then it's kind of funny, but
what?
Where's award of the best event?
Vote.
It's like you work under 11.
I don't work under 11. I work with 11.
Alright. So, like, poof on the air.
No, ask.
You're gonna ask me?
Yeah, I'm gonna answer like, honestly.
Since like, Upa Legma, like, any bona about nominate way, especially Gongoma.
Oh no, I'm not in that department. I don't know.
But suppose ayazi cause
How?
soza niwinise umuntu ungareleziyo guys.
But kaloku I feel like that time bengeko like kwi-lag man team. But I feel like you have to understand as a lagma, this is lagma zokuqala. So into xa uyenza for the first time, no?
Now.
Who won last year?
Even now, inominitshiza ngoku. There's a kwabantu abanominate but
Abanangoma.
best kakhulu umuntu akongoma
But then
single song
but then
umjita.
kaloku you have to understand but like this thing is not perfect, ne? Aizo metros is
But
Satma
it must be professional. You can't help it.
How can it be professional if like ayingenelo na imali? You have to understand ba lento qhutywa ngumuntu oyi-1 ngesalary yakhe.
But eyojonga into
Nah, dog. Nah, I feel like you guys how is it ubuqhinga?
like
I feel like the mistakes that happens. The
if
hiccups.
I finally song of the year now, I feel like song of the year is supposed to be a song that has many streams with social platform, whatever. No,
because if
like,
I feel like sorry to qhawula I feel like if the focus on streams more than the art, then what are we doing as artists? We are no longer artists, we are business people because we're pushing numbers more than the art.
yeah, so that people
No.
okay now I need to push my songs
streams.
because umsoza push because it was nam the rapper I release a song.
It shouldn't be. It should be.
Man, the release ingoma. They kula category and doing song of the year.
Yeah.
Then I got release. I got release. Then ingoma na yabi called. Then they faka song of the year. Then abantu voted. Then boom, my song is song of the year. Like was I feeling njani when I'm doing ngoma yaziwa iskran. Listen, I got release so yami ingoma, but okay. Song of the year.
So let me tell you this about the Lagma. Lagma. Iranwa ngabantu like small group of people ne who are still learning yabo, and secondly iyama ngokwe-votes yabo. If abantu abaninzi bakuvotele then iyawina, but loo nto obviously abantu like bayakhalaza but izinto and then abanye abantu bapitcha nee-ideas, so ezinye izinto zohamba zihambe zitshintshe kubekho indlela yoba kwi-system ngoku we are working on a system where kuzobakho abantu abazo-specialize on i-background check yabo. As artists xa usubmita we're gonna check i-background but okay like uyaqualifya nyani kule category yabo.
That's what I want.
Yeah,
background first.
I feel like you guys should just appreciate and try to help out Ilagma more than nayibhesha ngoku, because you have to understand lo muntu ayiqalayo which is Mr. G I can owe you nothing. Akunyanzelekanga ngayenza. Yabo. If one day I decide avuke ekuseni athi you know what, I stop Ilagma, uzayistopha and there's nothing you guys can do about it. And okwesibini ngawapha amanye amakhasi aqhithise awards.
Yeah, andiwazi.
Okay, because awekho. Maybe akhona but andiwazi yabo.
So mna right in Ilagma just to motivate us.
Take Ilagmas, appreciate the thing.
But I hope maybe next year izawuyenza iwize background. Nothi umuntu okudala ekhona kwinto apha esikrande rapper eyo nominate ki best newcomer. We see like no nice one a sense.
Yeah. No, there are new systems that we are working on right now, and I can't share all the info because yabo. But there are new systems that we're working on.
I think when I'm invite tonight, so that sizoba kuye ngqo. So njenge artist, yazenza features and stuff, yonke way, go mphilo umuntu owadwenza ingoma naye, then you're like bra iverse yakho man and give it away.
There is a lot.
But who gave you the West verse? The West combo, brah.
Damn.
No man. This is the West verse or the West hook or ngoma combo. Nah man. Angwazi bakule ngoma. Bandizoba kuyo. But kizo yayifuni but don't be afraid.
Kuyami ngoma.
Noba ngeyakho, noba ngeyakhe.
it's not my song because I'm in Ngoma, I'm very picky when it comes to features and featurisha nje. Yabona featurisha according to dayazi indlela abantu like une style sakhe mos. Damazi unono feature perfectly kwiverse engomeni amafaki noma ngibani. Yabo. But there was a guy one feature engomeni yakhe. Yabo. Ayibanga ngegama like I forgot his name but he artist man. Yabo. And then I only did the song because he paid me.
Yeah.
So I was like, because I didn't want to do it, but he asked me, okay, you charge a madin, I'm going to charge a madin, like patella faster. I was like, okay, sure. Since I patel, let me just do the song. But I wasn't feeling it.
Yo, to Libe the cover.
Yeah, I forgot his name. I forgot his name. No.
Who gave you the best verse? Come on. See now, Apa ingandicishwe but angicishwanga but ingandicishwe like the verse fire.
Ngomi is unreleased, but there is a song that I did with Asha Max, Jay Tulit, Noma Stand, yabo. Obviously, the tiny verses is Ngomi zonke, like Funuma Meli Veslam, yabo. But to that song, nah, I feel like Max went crazy, yabo. But I released it though. Still an unreleased song. I feel like that's the one that takes the
release one in
I'm still working on it. When the time is right.
Yeah. So who are your top 10 artists in Scrand?
Top 10, eh?
Yeah. Just only top 10 in Scrand.
Okay. So from 10 that means the least, then 1 is the best.
Yeah.
Okay, first of all, 1 I have to put myself, I don't give a fuck. I have to put myself in number 1. Secondly, I have to put Jay Tulit. Third, I have to put Asha Max. Number 4, I have to put Young M. Top 10, yeah. Number 5, I have to put Magical. Number 5. Magical Sarah, number 5. Number 6, Switch Woods. Number 7, Mustang, but Mustang I feel so I'm gonna put Tile in it. Number 8, I'm gonna put Amakaba as a whole. Number 8.
But remember we said not a group but
artist. Single pimple. Yeah. So number 8 I'm gonna put a star. Number 9 I'm gonna put Kyo. I'm gonna put Kyo. Number 10 I'm gonna put Black Ivy, my cousin. The only reason putting number 10 is because no meant to him, but I got release.
But like by this time I feel like suppose
why?
Jay, bro.
Yeah, I'm in list.
Yeah,
I fuck with the star, man. A lot, but now, I feel like he's not living like the potential. Like,
yeah,
I know Star can do like crazy shit. Relaxed. Yeah, who
like that time this late start. No, I get 77.
Yeah, that's why.
Okay, so now we are wrapping up now. So we're going to play a game.
Okay.
Just a game. The game is who do you prefer?
Okay. I feel like
so as a producer and artist.
Away.
So okay, let me think artist as Scran. Okay, producer. There's no both. You have to go one way.
Okay.
Who do you prefer, Switch Woods or Poor the Rich?
Damn! Right now I will take Switch.
Like I said, why? I got reason.
That's the reason though.
Why?
It's because lately I'm working with the Switch. And I'm fucking with the way we switch a producer account.
Okay. According to who would you prefer between Balo because it's number 2 list playlist number 2.
J2
Balo number 3.
Ashamex, J2
Would you prefer between those two?
J2
Would you prefer between Ivy Soul and Lina Mandla?
Ivy Soul. Yeah, I love both of them, but Ivy Soul. I have to go by blood.
Oh, go
I have to go by. Let's be biased. Nando, you be biased. Bias.
Who would you prefer, Ivy Soul and the Queen?
Ivy Soul.
The God. Ivy Soul still.
Yeah.
Would you prefer Magic Serra 787?
Honestly speaking, 7827.
Yeah, same.
Oh, I see this. Why are you sitting saying? Why you sitting saying now? Just because Umjita 7827 is not pushing right now, it doesn't mean
yeah,
Magic Serra will high list right now because it's pushing. But I prefer Star more than Serra.
So, how do you feel about your ex getting married?
I was praying that you don't ask this question. Why is the most?
I pose the question.
Whoa! Why is the question? Oh my days. Yo! I didn't want to address this because I'm funny bangati like.
Yeah, still into her or.
Yeah, I don't want people to think like I'm still clinging into that thing. Yeah, I'm not. But that's why I was avoiding this question. Many quick interviews are many. But you know what? Fuck it, I'm gonna answer it. I feel like, honestly speaking, I'm happy for her. For one thing, is because like Uchata has been something that she wanted. Yeah, but even now we get this data. Yeah, she used to speak about Uchata a lot. Okay, best data, and then I really thought like Zohama Sambe and get married because she's a good girl, dog. She's a good girl, yeah, bro. And then I thought, okay, we're gonna go and marry like Sichate because it was that deep, and we did it for many years. Yeah, bro. Yeah, so I'm happy that she's happy, yeah, bro. But yeah, it's nothing more, nothing less.
So. It's time to wrap up. Are you going to cars about your business?
Okay, so
website.
Right now, Ocean Heavens of Manega Facebook and Instagram. I don't have a website yet. So you from Otia is no zamu and Fumana go Facebook and Fumana Instagram. Search the brand Ocean Heavens. DM the brand, but you can also DM me on Facebook.
Share the number.
That's personal. That's personal. That's personal. No, dog. That's way too personal. You're on Facebook. No, from about Facebook.
And you, this is things we should expect from you.
Lonyaga. I'm pushing the brand more. I'm gonna push music. There's a video that is on planning right now. There's a music video in the planner, and I'm working with a group right now. I have a group, boss C collective. C rapper is a collective, but I'm not ready to announce that yet because we're still talking. Also like events. I'm planning events now. I'm also collaborating with the museum, so we are doing games night almost every first Friday of the month. So last year we did a games night. It was so successful, and this year we're planning to come back again for a games night. So yeah, the events trepart in Zaibui. When we still in the last year, but it didn't do good. I'm not gonna lie, didn't do good. But this year we're gonna go bigger. We're gonna go harder. Yeah, man, there's a lot that are playing for the year, and it's gonna be a crazy year for sure.
Also, anything of any address? or something ufuna imbilini ufuna ikhuba okay yeah khona but I feel like uyazinqanda just I guess
it's not I feel like Nane, I wouldn't say imbilini or something.
yeah
All I just wanna say is I say like sizi artists as a strand is really glad to be scenario because right now yeah because to be honest right now who's popping there is no one Tengwe strand yabo and the reason I feel like wonke umuntu wabane pride aphuma indlela yakhe ayisekho lanto ndinesandla zonke artists lapha estrand zinesandla kulonto yabo. So I wish like right now I've been speaking to ezinye artists even nezi bendingavani nazo. I've been speaking to them and then come okay you know what this is bigger than me. It's either I choose myself or I choose the culture and then I chose the culture. I'm doing everything for a culture. So right now I say this is the artist sibile kulando besi like bone because the culture besibambe ezandleni that time. Yabo amakasi onke ezaseKhayelitsha ezase-Hot Bay ezase-Nyanga Samora sizapho ngokuthina siyakuzwa ngoku why yabo yeah. So right now I'm working on Low Way and if we artists lapha estrand and you're watching this feel free to reach out to me by access phinde sibuyiseni olabambisano siphinde sivuseni iculture ngohlobo iculture ibililo yabo. So yeah that's one of the things that I'm working on right now.
Guys, he's a rapper. Sizi listeners uzayivala nge-freestyle. Let me put a beat.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah. Hey. Okay. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's go. This time I pick up the flow. Everybody wanna know, cause I know I got the gold in my pole. Give me the mic and I'm ready to go for a blow. Now that I'm stuck on my zone, flying up it's like a tongue. She the dog, I'm the bone. Now she won't leave me alone. I found all my songs in her phone. Like this ain't no story. Firstly, you don't even know me. I kill like I'm a fucking COVID. Now niggas are coughing. No, I mean down in the coffin. That's how you will end when you air like you balling. I'm holy. Out of my pocket, no Kelly. That gonna night I was planning. I move like the baby. Like maybe they think that I'm crazy or maybe they want my attention. Look. Man. Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah, guys, sivala kanje le wena namhlanje. Sivala kanje. Yeah. Kwale bantu subscribe man otherwise like it.
Yeah.
Follow it,
Yeah.
what the stuff. Eshe Sangqe the sexiest man.
Let's
It's
go.
Joy Vanilla. Behind the camera. And Charlie please don't forget ukumjonga and stuff akuno kwi socials.
Peace out.
What's your name?
Chep Lloyd, the biggest elephant in the room.
Lloyd.
Go.
Vela kufera urubhaleyo pa.
Zama kuhle ngoba.
Zama kuhle nkophe. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace. I've been born up by your chuka, look at the yapens and manzi. Kina listen like it's a mood. They use this no romingo kuba fugile. They watch my moves 24/7. If you win a beef, you use another. Don't forget that I'm a full killer. Then I put your girl in your